Welcome to all mechanical engineering students for the subject engineering drawing lecture for the unit 2, that is projection of solid. We will now deal with the cone. What is the condition? As you have studied in last lecture, condition that axis is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, axis perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. In the first condition, we will observe here that this is the HP and VP three-dimensional. The cone is kept on its base on HP. Now, the axis of OP is perpendicular to HP. So, if I draw the three-dimension here on the HP and VP, what we will observe here, that is, it is perpendicular to HP, so we start HP, the circle is observed here, and here in front view we will observe the triangle. I will name it as 1, 2, 3, 4. This is point OP. This is the point base circle here, and these are the generators. This is the axis OP, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to rotate this HP plane. So, which view we are drawing here? If I draw the XY line here, if I to draw the front to the orthogonal projection of the cone resting on its base on HP, axis is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, then first you have to draw the circle here, because the axis is perpendicular to HP. So top view you have to draw here first, that is cross section. This is axis OP perpendicular to HP. This is 1. Now this here it is necessary because they are inclined line. The O1 line is inclined to HP. So this is the projection. That is the top view O1, O2, O3 and O4. What is the projection here? We have studied the base is circular plate. So single line is observed. It is lying on HP. Single line is observed here. Okay, single line is observed here, and this is a triangle here. This is axis. Single line of the base. So I will transfer these projections here. I will name it as 1 dash, front side 2 dash, 3 side and back side 4 dash. Now this is OP axis perpendicular to HP. They will give the axis length OP, and we have to draw with a circle here. We have to draw with the scale the projection. This is the front view and this is the top view. Now where we have started here? In the top view first, because the axis is perpendicular to HP. Now in the second case, that is axis is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. It is parallel to HP and perpendicular to vertical plane. Now here if you observe in the front view, this will be the circle. I will name it as 1, 2, 3, 4. This is OP. In the top, I will draw the projection here. Plate is lying, circular plate is lying on VP. Axis is perpendicular to VP. So single line is observed on XY line. Now this is the axis. This is point 1, 2, 3 and 4. The top side is 4 here. This is OP. We have to rotate this HP, that is XY line here. Now XY, VP, HP. Now which view we are drawing here? First you are drawing the circle. That is very much important, because the axis is perpendicular to VP. This is your point 1, 2, 3 and this is your point 4. This is OP. This is the axis here. They will give the axis length This is point 2. I will draw the projections here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is OPA, that is axis length. I will draw the end generators dark here. So this is the projections, that is front view and top view. Now what we have studied as in last lecture here, difference here, that here the axis is perpendicular to HP. Here the axis is perpendicular to VP. So as the axis in first case is perpendicular to HP, first we are drawing the top view. Here this is the first step here. First we have drawn the top view. In this case axis is perpendicular to VP. First step we have drawn here. The second step will be here. And here the second step. That sequence we have to study. How to name the points is very much important. That is important because in next problems we have to study the inclination of the axis. So this first step, to which plane the axis is inclined, to that plane we have to make perpendicular. Now the axis is inclined to HP. First you have to make the perpendicular. This initial condition is very much important. And in the plane we have taken the resting side left side. 1 point we have taken on the left side. But in the solid we have to take the 1 point on the right side because this is the resting side. This is very much important. Resting side. We have to take the point number 1 on the right side. This is the resting side. In the projection of plane we have taken 1 point in the left side. That is the resting side. We have made inclined. To which plane the plate is inclined? We have made parallel or lied on that plane. Here, to which plane the axis is inclined, we have to make the perpendicular with that plane, and resting side is the right side. Okay, thank you.